Hi viewers, good morning. Hi everyone, very good morning. This is Manoj, your cyber defense consultant. And today I had some works, so continuous 2 days I could not made any videos. And today the idea is to provide the proper trainings for the students who are seeking career into cybersecurity, IT infrastructures, cloud solutions, cloud computing solutions, data center solutions, and it also helps IT professionals to understand the gaps of the security. Where is the gap in the security? How to implement the right security? What are the challenges all enterprise and small and medium business are facing today? So everything we are going to cover in the right way. That is a kinds of trainings, cyber security trainings along with the IT infrastructure, along with the IT infrastructure solutions. So, and hopefully I'll be explaining most of the sophisticated concept on the whiteboard, so that the students who are really want to learn cyber security solutions or IT solutions or IT infrastructures with cloud solutions, artificial intelligence can definitely help out to make their career in the better way. And as you know that today the demand of cyber security is very high, and of course there are high package also coming from the IT industries. So if you want to really increase your package like 25 lakh, 30 lakh, 40 lakh per annum, I think this is right channel for you, so that you can join from the next week, from the very beginning. And this video also helps out for the starting from the educational background like BSc in IT, BTech, and MCA, BCA, even plus two student can also gain the benefit of this. And BCom student, BA student also can gain the benefit because they can have chances to get an opportunity into cybersecurity and IT infrastructure solutions as a sales professionals or pre-sales professionals. So in this whole videos, we are going to cover in details of OSI models to understand the architecture of the network, like open system interconnections, and then everything starting from firewall. Firewall, when you talk about the firewall, I'm going to cover the multiple vendor firewalls who are the top leading players into cybersecurity today. So you talks about Palo Alto, talks about Checkpoint, talk about Cisco's, talk about Sophos, talk about Sonic Wall, talk about Fortinets, or any other firewalls like WatchGuard. Okay, so the next to the firewall, I'm going to cover the endpoint protections, the completely artificial intelligence-based endpoint protections, where I'm going to discuss in details on CrowdStrike, Falcon endpoint protection, Checkpoint protection, Checkpoint Harmony, and then Sophos endpoint protections, and then your of course ESET. And all these firewalls and endpoint protections are capable to meet the complete compliances which is run by different governments of across world. Like your PCI DSS, your ISO 27001, your DPDP Act, and all compliances, so that you can become a really right solution architect and right designers in terms of cyber security. And then we are also going to cover in details of building of the data centers. Either customer want to build the data center on premises or want to build the data center on cloud. So everything I'm going to cover from the different vendors. And then we'll also have a brief discussions on enterprise grade of servers, storage, and other solutions whichever is required for the building of data centers. And then multiple applications also we will discuss, so that a student who really want to seek an opportunity into cyber world or digital environment like IT infrastructures can definitely help them out to build the careers in the right way. The fantastic package like more than 25 to 30 lakh, 40 lakh as well. Okay, and then we will have a brief discussions on multiple vendors, data center monitoring tools and network monitoring tools like Cisco 1000 ties, like Motordata AIOps, and then PRTG networks and monitoring tools, and then other solutions. Okay. Then there is a detailed briefs will be taken care for the cloud solutions from the multiple vendors like Microsoft Azure, AWS, and of course your other cloud like AC clouds and Google clouds, etc. and many more solutions. And then implementations of Wi-Fi solutions along with the Wi-Fi 6 and from the different vendors against like Cisco on cloud-based Wi-Fi solutions. Ingenious we have in the place, Fortinet we have in the place, and then we have Sophos as well in combinations of Sophos firewall and Sophos cyber security and endpoint protection solution. That means the idea for this video is to making a proper video for students who really want to build up the career into IT infrastructures, IT professionals and cyber security. And this video is going to help for the rural area students who are belonging from the rural area, and some of the part of Bihar, some of the part of Himachal Pradesh, some of the part of Uttar Pradesh, some of the part of West Bengals and other areas like Jharkhand and other area, because those students are really not having right platform to build up the career into IT. Hence they are gaining the fantastic education from their local colleges, but finally to get an opportunity, right opportunity on the right platform, they have to visit in metro cities like Bangalore, like NCR Delhi, like Mumbai, like Noida, some big class of city like Noida, Gurgaon, Pune, and then Hyderabad. So these are the in Kolkata also some of the parts are really fantastic. So these are the places in India where there are a lot of opportunity ongoing in terms of cyber security and IT infrastructure solution. But the challenge for those students, because they are belonging from the different rural areas like Patna, like Gorakhpur, like other big class of city, so they are only having the educational background but not having platform. So taking those challenges into the considerations, I designed these platforms and channel to make them very intelligent and really understandable concept in the easy way. And 80 to 90% of the concept I'm going to discuss in the Hindi. ओके एंड उसके बाद से इसमें और आपको एडवांटेजेस मिल जाएगा कि जैसे आप रियल वर्ड्स में जो अभी रियल डिजिटल वर्ड्स में क्या टेक्नोलॉजी चल रही है, मार्केट में क्या सॉल्यूशंस डिमांड में है, इंटरप्राइज कौन सा सॉल्यूशन चाहिए, स्मॉल एंड मीडियम बिजनेस को किस टाइप का सॉल्यूशन चाहिए, और बहुत सारे चीज़ों को हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, ताकि जो भी स्टूडेंट अपना करियर देख रहे हैं आईटी में, चाहे साइबर सिक्योरिटी में, चाहे क्लाउड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में, और स्पेशली जॉब्स के लिए उनको हेल्प करेगा। क्योंकि एक बार आपको नॉलेज हो गया तो हाई पैकेज होता है, इसमें कम से कम 25 लाख टू 30 लाख पर एनम पैकेज होता है, एंड मोर देन दैट इफ़ यू आर हैविंग ए रियल नॉलेज। ठीक है, अगर नॉलेज नहीं होता है फिर चैलेंज होता है, फिर आप वहीं 4 to 5 लाख पैकेज में घूमते रहते हैं। ठीक है, तो मेरा आइडिया है और इस चैनल का पर्पज़ है कि आपको राइट एजुकेशन दे, और ताकि आपको पूरा अंडरस्टैंड हो और आप पूरा डिज़ाइन कर सके। जैसा मैं आपको एक सॉल्यूशन आर्किटेक्ट के जैसा प्रिपेयर करना चाहता हूँ। ठीक है, तो ये सारे आइडियाज़ लेकर के मैं 2 दिन ब्रेक लिया था, और अभी वाइट बोर्ड में सोचता हूँ कि कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट वाइट बोर्ड में भी कवर करूँ, क्योंकि मेरे पास भी मल्टीपल जॉब्स है तो टाइम निकालना मुश्किल होता है। फिर भी मैं अपने व्यूवर्स के लिए मैं वो टाइम निकाल करके कैसे भी मैं करूँगा और आपको बेनिफिट होगा। तो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि मेरे चैनल के साथ जुड़िए, और जो भी क्वेश्चंस होता है, जो भी डाउट होता है, अगर आपको जॉब में भी डाउट होता है, अगर आईटी में क्योंकि मैं स्पेशली आईटी बैकग्राउंड से हूँ तो मुझे उसी का आइडिया है, तो उसमें भी मैं आपको हेल्प कर दूँगा। और अगर टेक्निकल कुछ गाइडलाइन चाहिए, चाहे और कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी को अंडरस्टैंड करना है राइट वे में, ठीक है, तो उसको भी मैं कवर करके हेल्प करूँगा। सिर्फ आपको कमेंट करना है कि इस पर आपको ब्रीफ डिस्कशन चाहिए, मैं वो स्पेशल वीडियो आपके लिए भेज दूँगा। इवन आई एम ओके टू रिलीज द वीडियो फॉर द इंडिविजुअल्स यूजर्स ऑल्सो। तो ये सब आइडियाज़ और प्लान है, तो होपफुली इस वीक से देखता हूँ टाइम कब से प्रॉपर मिल रहा है, तो मैं एक स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ पूरा बिगनिंग से, जहाँ से OSI मॉडल कवर करेंगे, ओपन सिस्टम इंटरकनेक्शन, उसके बाद से फायरवॉल, उसके बाद से और सारे डिफरेंट लेवल ऑफ IT सॉल्यूशंस एंड सिक्योरिटी हम लोग कवर करेंगे। तो गाइज एज ऑफ नाउ थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम। हम लोग कल मिलेंगे किसी एज पर वी हैव प्लान। ठीक है, तो हैव ए नाइस डे।